Hi. I was asked, what are some of the most significant health transformations you've witnessed in individuals who've adopted the Nutritarian lifestyle? And I want to start by saying there are thousands of people who've experienced dramatic health transformations, and it's so difficult to mention just a few. Because we have over 500 of such success stories on drfuhrman.com, and I have so many that I've discussed already in my books and television specials. But I'll give you a few examples right now. And don't forget about those hundreds of really advanced cases of heart disease and diabetes, including reversing hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is considered irreversible, even genetic, by cardiologists. Okay, so let's go into some of these now. One is a young woman on the National Renal Transplant list waiting for a new kidney because she had a creatinine of 4.2 and her kidney was destroyed by lupus nephritis. She followed this program, my disease reversal protocol, and it totally reversed herself. Her kidney function returned to normal. Her creatinine dropped to 0.8, which is normal. And she didn't need a kidney transplant. She didn't need further medication. Her lupus was completely gone. And I've had many people with autoimmune conditions, including lupus and discoid lupus. And a lot of other autoimmune diseases as well. But I had one person with discoid lupus with these patches all over her body. And she went back to her doctor to show him how she got better, and the doctor started yelling at her and telling her to get out of his office, and she just wanted the doctor to see her recovery. So, he said, it had nothing to do with your diet, and she didn't take the drugs that he was offered, the dangerous cancer-causing drugs. And it's amazing how this threatens some people, and especially doctors who only know the drug approach. And I've published studies on documenting some of these cases. Right here, next is a teenager with such severe chronic headaches that she was in bed and missed 3 years of school. I think like 8th, 9th, and 10th grade or something. She was out of school completely. And finally, she was hospitalized for experimental drug therapy in one of the major children's hospitals in Boston. And then after 2 months of working with me, she was off all drugs, and within 3 months, her headaches were totally gone. She was able to go back in school again with no further headaches. She finished her high school requirements, graduated, relatively on time, and she attended college and was on the college track team and had a terrific, had a normal life after that, in spite of being so sick. All right, and hundreds of people have recovered from these chronic headache syndromes. Of course, we have to mention one cancer disease reversal case, so many of those, but one that sticks in my mind was a patient with metastatic breast cancer that was metastatic to her bones, and her bone scan showed lesions all over her bones that totally disappeared with no treatment at all. She never had chemo, never had anything except my anti-cancer nutritional protocol. So I was shocked, so shocked that I had to send away for the bone scan a second time because I thought that the radiologist of the hospital mixed up the patients and gave me the wrong person's scan. But if you want to learn more about some of these disease reversal protocols, you can look at the events page on drfuhrman.com and see my Conquer Disease Masterclass too. All right, good luck everybody. Have fun.